Welcome to Dubai's Museum of the Future, a place that takes you on a journey beyond the imagination. The museum's elliptical shape with a hollow center is designed to symbolize humanity, and the void in the middle represents everything we don't know yet about the future. Starting at the ground level, this is where your journey begins. The ground floor is dedicated to welcoming visitors and setting the stage for the experience ahead. This level houses interactive exhibits and information about the museum itself. There are 5 must-see exhibits in the museum. It symbolizes ground innovation, understanding our roots before we imagine the future. Starting with level 5, where the journey begins to 2071 on OSS Hope, the space station experience starts with a space shuttle shooting you off to the space.
We'll see OSS Hope just going to view now.
Due to its ultra-realistic sound and special effects, you feel like you are flying into the galaxy. It even has a launch countdown and provides video clips of what future Dubai would look like through the shuttle's windows. Once you have reached the OSS Hope, you will enter the station's command center and act like a real-life astronaut, exploring missions, monitoring projects, and studying innovations inside the station. You will have a majestic view of the planet Earth from outside. The future of space exploration theme imagines how humanity might one day thrive in outer space. You will step into a recreated space station, witness potential life on other planets, and learn about groundbreaking technologies. The space station built to showcase the life beyond Earth. It's a vision of how humans might live and thrive in space in the next 50 years. The exhibit demonstrates how humans might live and work in the space, including aspects like living quarters, laboratories, and the technologies necessary for sustaining life in an off-planet environment. Through interactive scenarios, visitors learn about the challenges and solutions associated with long-term space habitation. This interactive laboratory allows visitors to explore how introducing new species can impact and transform the environments, fostering a deeper understanding of ecological dynamics. The space station built to showcase the life beyond Earth. It's a vision of how humans might live and thrive in space in the next 50 years. From the vastness of space, we return to the Earth. Inside this level, there are 2 exhibits, the Vault of Life and Digital Amazon. At the Vault of Life, you will visit a DNA library, a futuristic archive preserving the DNA of Earth's species. It aims to protect genetic information to ensure species survival in the face of future challenges. The Museum of the Future makes it possible using mixed reality, where the dense forest recreated inside Digital Amazon. You will walk through an incredible reimagined rainforest and explore how technology can work hand in hand with nature to combat the climate changes. From green energy innovations to sustainable cities of the future, This section inspires hope and action for a greener tomorrow. Also reminds us that the future is not just about the technology, but it's about protecting the natural world. Take a step back from technology and reconnect with yourself at AI Waha, a space dedicated to human well-being and mental health in the future. This futuristic spa has different experiences in store for you, such as making you feel like walking on a beach. It demonstrates the growing importance of inner peace and mental health in a technology-driven world. Visitors engage in activities that focus on mindfulness, relaxation, and alternative healing. If you want to see what the future looks like, then at Tomorrow Today, we explore cutting edge innovations and shaping the future as we speak. In robotics, AI, and sustainable living, it has all the global tech innovations that could help us to change the world. It presents the latest prototype and concept from leading global innovators by showcasing the real world solution. Who knows, we might soon use these innovations sooner than we expect. And finally, we arrive at level 1, the Future Heroes, a label designed for the leaders of tomorrow, the children. You can also purchase various kind of goodies from their store featuring various themes on Museum of the Future. Thanks for joining me on this journey to the future. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And yes, please drop a comment below if you would like to visit the Museum of the Future and what you like the most. Until next time, keep dreaming big. Thank you.